Now let's talk about specific heat capacity. In the previous video, we saw that once a material is heated, its temperature will rise. The rise depends on the mass of the material, or the mass of the object, the material the object is made from, and then the amount of heat or energy being supplied. Now, there's something we call specific heat capacity. The specific heat capacity of an object is the amount of energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. It is the amount of energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. So if you have 1 kilogram of water in a bucket, the amount of energy that we will need to raise the temperature of this water by 1 degree Celsius is what we call specific heat capacity of water. The same applies to copper, the same applies to ice, the same applies to aluminium. So the amount of energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of aluminium by 1 degree Celsius is what we call specific heat capacity of aluminium. Now, different materials have different specific heat capacities. Now, over here we see C is equal to 400 joules per kilogram degree Celsius. Okay. Now, what this means is that we will need 400 joules of energy to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of copper by 1 degree Celsius. When we come to water, we see C is equal to 4,200 joules per kilogram per degree Celsius. What this means is that if we want to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius, we will need to supply 4,200 joules of energy. If we want to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of ice by 1 degree Celsius, we will need to apply 2,100 joules. And for 1 kilogram of aluminium, if you want to increase the temperature by 1 degree Celsius, we will need to apply 900 joules of energy. So here you see that different materials have different specific heat capacities. So anytime you have 1 kilogram of water, you will need 4,200 joules of energy to raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius.